This is a wetland. Wetlands are areas covered or saturated by water. The three main types of wetlands are marshes, swamps, and bogs. These are plant species native to North America. It naturally grows in damp to wet soils like wetlands. This is a blue flag iris. The plant can grow up to 3 feet tall. These grow in wetlands. This is a buttonbush. This is a member of the coffee family, typically found in swamps, bogs, or alongside ponds and rivers. Wetland soils, which are also called hydric soils, are what is going on? Are water-saturated soils that lack oxygen for prolonged periods. The odor may smell like rotten eggs. According to the Department of Environmental Conservation in Vermont, wetland hydrology refers to the timing of extent of flooding or soil saturation and is considered to be the driving force in wetland formation. Wetland hydrology is the study of water movement in wetlands, defining their existence, soil, plants, and wildlife by controlling water depth, duration, and timing. Influencing factors that contribute are rainfall, topography, geology, and soil type that create distinct patterns like saturation or flooding that is essential for wetland function. Wetlands provide important functions like flood protection, which basically they act like sponges, where they absorb and like they slowly release the rainwater, which reduces flood impacts and maintaining steam flow. They also filter the pollutants and store nutrients, which is water purification. They also support diverse plants, fish, birds, and stuff like that. Nutrient capture. What did I just say? Nutrient capture and recycling of wetlands. Wetlands capture nutrients through physical filtration, which is slow-moving water causes sediments attached to pollutants and nutrients like phosphorus to settle out. They also capture nutrients through plant uptake and microbial transformation, which is bacteria convert harmful forms like ammonia into less harmful ones, like nitrogen gas through denitrification. Wetlands recycle nutrients through ammonification, volatilization, which is ammonia gas released into the atmosphere, denitrification, as I mentioned earlier. Wetlands have, a bunch of biodiverse habitats. Think of it as like transition zones, I guess, between like the land and water. Marshes, swamps, bogs, fens. I guess mangroves is a good one, and I think estuaries that support unique plants and wildlife. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, USACE, manages and protects wetlands under the Clean Water Act, regulating infill activities, restoring habitats, and using research like Wetlands Research and Technology Center to define and conserve these vital areas that control floods, filter water, and provide wildlife habitat, even developing tools like Wetlands Mapper for public understanding.